mga kanation, ang unang sasalang ay ang Team Dragonessa. Kaya naman sila ang unang magpapajam kamagaling. Okay, Team Dragonessa, MJ, Moy, ready na kayo? Alam ko naman mga singer talaga kayo.
Walang choice.
Singer sa banyo. Oo. Ang importante naman dito, makarami kayo ng emojis.
Yes.
Okay. So, kahit na wala sa tono, okay lang yan. Paramihan ng emojis. Ready na ang Team Dragonessa, DJ Emo! Music! Please welcome our baby boy, Chami.
Ma told me when I was young, we were all born superstars. Turn on my hair and my lipstick on, in a glass of bottle wine.
Go, Ate Moy!
Listen to me when I say,
Go, Ate Amber!
God make no mistake, I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way.
Ate Moy!
Love yourself and you're sad. I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way.
Go, Ate MJ!
All the way, baby. On this way, I was born this way. Oh, there ain't no other way, baby. I was born this way. Right track, baby. I was born this way.
Go, Ate Moy!
Instrumental.
Kahit sabihin niyo lang kung ano yung emojis, ha?
Go, Ate Moy!
Yeah, green. Evergreen will be like beige of chocolate. And when, yeah.
Ate MJ!
Rejoice and love yourself.
It's jumping time!
Baby, I was born to survive. I'm on the right track, baby. I was born to be brave. My way to God, don't mistake. I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way. Nothing regret, just love yourself and you say, I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way.
Kasi nga, ang mga kanta for today ay may kinalaman sa panganganak.
Oo.
Paano ka pinanganak? So, I was born this way. Ilan ba ang nailaban nilang score? Ang Team Dragonessa, Chami.
Your
Surprise.
emojis, T. Out of 16 emojis, nakakuha sila ng 6. With a total of 18
Go,
emoticons.
First time ever!
First time!
First time ever na may naka-6!
Graphic achievement yun, ha?